Many people struggle to get Disney Plus working on their PS4, and that's exactly why you need to keep watching. You don't have to miss out on the magic of Disney just because you're not sure how to set it up. It's easier than you think, and today I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So first, make sure that your PS4 is connected to the internet. It's important for downloading apps like Disney Plus to work smoothly. Next, head to the PlayStation Store and search for the Disney Plus app. It's free to download, so don't worry about any hidden costs. Once you've got the app, you're going to hit install and you're going to wait a few minutes for it to finish. Now, after it's done, open the Disney Plus app and sign in with your Disney Plus account. If you don't have one, sign up easily on the Disney Plus website. Finally, you're ready to enjoy all the magic of Disney, whether it's Frozen, Marvel movies, or Star Wars, it's all waiting for you. And if you liked this video, if you found it helpful, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.